This photograph, titled Sunrise in Miami County, Ohio, began as a commission for a regional health network that was putting up a new building and wanted landscape photographs that represented the rural area where it was located. What you're seeing here is the before and after, the original photograph straight out of the camera, and the finished image after I worked on it in Photoshop. The original file captures the scene, but it didn't completely express what I was experiencing that morning. Through editing, I was able to bring out the warmth of the sunrise, strengthen the contrast, improve the color, and guide your attention toward the light moving across the landscape. For me, photo editing simply isn't about correcting mistakes. It's another creative tool, like choosing a camera or a lens or an aperture. The camera records the starting point. The finished photograph expresses how I want you to experience the scene. I'm Dan Cleary, and you can see more of my fine art photography at clearyfineartphoto.com. You can also join my school community, Dan Cleary Camera Coach, to learn more about the creative process and how to create images like this for yourself.